this is Mary. Welcome to BISH'S. Thanks for watching this video. If you did find that it was helpful, please give it a like or a thumbs up. I'd like to show you this Roadtrek. It's a Chase 2021. There's great features inside. It's a really popular floor plan. So let's look inside. So as you can see, this floor plan is really great for a couples coach. You do have a place where you can put a table right here. These both swivel around, so you'd have your little dinette right here. And then across from here, we do have a really nice privacy screen right here that would help the bugs to not go in and out. You do have a magnetized strip right here, so you can easily access that. Here's your galley. This is beautiful. Look at this sink. This is a really great unit. I like the colors in this. Then we have our bathroom. This is a wet bath. Nice sink in there, shower, toilet. And what's really nice about this is the space that you have here, the storage. This is a great feature. This is a pantry, store all your goods in there, and a really nice size fridge. Plus you've got this huge drawer right here for all your pots and pans. So this has two twin beds. That way you can easily access the bathroom, get out in the middle of the night, and you can put paddle boards throughout here. You can store bikes. You do have a table that will fit right here, so you can both have another seating area, a little workspace area. Lots of cabinets over around here, and this is actually for wardrobe. This is a closet. And look right under here, you've got springs that help to prevent moisture, and it just makes this bed so comfortable. It does come together for a full bed, or you can keep them apart for separate. Thanks for watching this video. Please give me a call if you'd like to look at this van. My number is 406-850-4590. Thanks.